traders, freetradingvideos.com. This is Breakout. I am back from a long weekend, long break. I've been out there supporting people in the search for what is next for them in the way of personal development. Phenomenal programs with Anthony Robbins. Friday night we had 2,500 people walk across fire, including myself. This is the second time I've done it, and it is just outstanding, phenomenal. If you ever get the chance to do that program, step up, take it on, and just do it. It will change your life. Anyway, look at S&P here on a weekly chart. What we've got Fibonacci's here. So we've gone from the very high of this most recent swing high, brought it down to the very, very low of this most recent swing low. We can see we're coming up into this 38.2% retracement area. This could prove as a resistance. Okay, now if we can break through here, we got a resistance level here, and this is coming from back here. We got a very minor swing high here with a good solid low here where we project to the upside. So a couple areas to keep of interest as we move a little higher here. Now this one in here is interesting to me. When we look at the daily chart, on the daily chart we can see prior resistance just back here, and this is what we're trading into right now. So we got the resistance area coming right through there. Now if we have a look here, let's just squash this up just a little bit and drag this over. If looking at possibilities here, if this, we can already see this has come down. Okay, we come back up, back down, we've gone lower here, and now back up. If this is to pull back here and then move back to the upside, what formation are we looking at here? Well, what we could see is we have a left shoulder right through here, we have the head right here, and the right shoulder through here. So that would give us an inverted, or inverse, as some people call it, head and shoulders. What we can then do then from there is, once we get this pullback, okay, we can look for an early entry right around this area here, okay, and a second entry breaking above the neckline, wherever that resistance may be. Now that resistance may be right through here. So if that's where that resistance is, that is what we call the neckline. Breaking through that neckline, we can add to our positions we take down here or put more positions on, if this is the way the market sets up. Next thing we can do is to project a target. We're going to take the difference between the neckline right here, this resistance area right here, and this level right here. So whatever that range is, okay, so we got, say, let's do some easy math here. Let's call that 1,020, and let's call this 850. So if we have 1,020 minus 850, that would give us 170. If you take 170 plus 1,020, your target would be 1,190, which, look at that, puts us right in the area of that 76.4. Okay, that would be our target up here. So that would give us a potential, okay, to move to that upper range. To get to that upper range, you know, there's a few things got to happen here. We can see this 61.8 area. Okay, you get a pretty good solid resistance coming through about 1150 there. Sorry, support here, resistance here. That'd be a pretty good solid resistance area around 1160 area there to be able to get to 1190. But that is one idea we can look at here. Looking forward, I'm looking and waiting for this pullback so we can trade back to the upside on the short term. On the long term, we get back up here, I'll be looking for the short back down to test these lows again. Thanks for attending freetradingvideos.com. Till next time, this is Breakout, out.